Good evening. Today I like to talk about a very important point. Uh, see, uh, in current scenario, the economic condition of Assamese people is very poor. Although we are talking many things, our government also helping to improving the income security as well as the livelihood. But if you go to the village level, the scenario is very poor. Uh, and in the recent time, most of the conflict take place because of that reason. We talk about the illegally migrant people are taking lots of our forest land, casemated area, and from taking means encroaching those land, those illegally migrant people are actively participating in different economic activities like agriculture, farming, fishery, everything they are doing. But if you look at to the indigenous Assamese people, their economic condition is going in a very bad direction day by day. So we should not feel proud of taking PDS public distribution rise by fee of cost. It is not our, you know, uh, economic development. It is actually after 75 years of independence, if we go for fee rise rather than free education and medical, so it's a very poor scenario. Uh, but if you want to develop the economic condition of the Assamese people, mostly, if then we have to take some economic movement. If you look into the most of the economic activities in Assam, the wholesale business in the construction and grocery, other things mostly taken care by the Marwari people or the Hindi speaking people. And if you come down, the vegetable, fish, and those are taken care by the Mia people. Mostly we call them as illegally migrant people or like, so they are the leader in that area. So what the lower income level people of Assamese people are doing, they are working as a security guard. They are migrating from the state to outside Kerala to working into the plywood factory in Bangalore, working into the shopping mall. And if you look into the economic statistics, the day by day, the lower income level people percentage is increasing. So I am requesting all the people, rather than talking in the road, if we go to the field and if we take care of this small economic activity to the large economic activity, then only our indigenous people economic condition will going to be improved. So it is a request to all the organization and Jatiyatavadi Hangatan and the political leader, please give us a solution how we can improve the indigenous Assamese people economic condition. That is the most important point in the current time. Rather than talking about Hindu Muslim, yes, illegally migrant people is one of the most important concern for us. But remember one most important rules of economics: master becomes slave if we are not going to be independent by economically. So that is from my end for today. Thank you.